Notion AI is an integrated AI assistant inside Notion that helps with writing, summarizing, brainstorming, and productivity tasks. Notion AI is a deeply integrated workspace assistant that pulls context directly from your existing notes, docs, and databases. It functions as a centralized brain, instantly answering questions, drafting content, and automatically filling database tags. While standalone chatbots offer stronger creative writing, Notion AI's unmatched ability to understand your personal data library makes it an essential add-on if you already use Notion. This workspace tool offers 4 distinct tiers: a completely free plan at 0, a plus plan at 10 yearly or 12 monthly, and a recommended business tier at 20 yearly or 24 monthly per member. For large-scale organizations needing advanced security and control, they offer a top-tier enterprise plan with custom pricing. Reddit users say Notion is good as a simple journal on the free plan with a clean interface. However, AI is paid and it lacks password protection for private notes. Overall, it's best for simple note-taking, but needs better privacy features. Overall, it's worth paying for heavy Notion users, but casual users may not fully need the extra AI features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.